existed. That's a good driver right there. Right in front of your eyes. This is a very labor-intensive process. There's a lot of... I would get tired. That is my mango and passion fruit. It's an art form, really. Just with ice cream instead of paint. So fast. And this is where the magic happens. I'm not real sure about the science behind it or the witchcraft, whichever one it is, but it works because it comes out delicious. Look at that. Poetry in motion. And it all fits. There you go. Perfect.
Do you want something?
Ooh, just out for a little walk. Just want to get my hair cut, actually. That is as good as it's going to get, folks. I'm sorry. Had to stop and get this, a banana smoothie for $1. Look at that thing. It's fresh. It's delicious. It's very banana-y. If that's even a word. Little park here, it almost looks like fall back in Michigan. Look at all the leaves. Of course, there's no such season as fall. It is summer all the time. One of the many reasons why I love this country so much. If I had my way, I would never see snow again. So for all my peeps in Michigan, and you're still suffering, all I can say is, hey, you had your chance. You should have come here with me. I told you about it. You could have done it too. You decided not to, so boo-hoo. I'm a compassionate person. Anyway, walk down by the river. During the daytime, it's peaceful. Let's see, how much do I trust this? I'm not really feeling the trust here. This thing's creaking. This thing's creaking. Yeah, I think, yeah, I'm getting off. I'll look at it from afar. Yeah. Uploading a video right now. Gonna go back to my apartment, check on that. Gonna finish my banana smoothie and all its banana goodness. And then I'm probably gonna take a nap. Oh, wild trees, man. Wild. Okay, today or tonight is the beginning of Chinese New Year, so there will be festivities. I'll be back later, and we'll see what we can get up to later tonight. See ya.